Yeah, shit, I can't get that.
Wake up the kids them.
What is it? Then how I wake up? Listen. Wake up. Jordan. Daddy. School time. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, sleepyhead. What's your man? Sleep time in the mouth. Jordan.
Get up, say a prayer.
Jordan. Look here. Wake up. Say a prayer. It's school time. Hey. Wake up and say a prayer. Up. Up. Jordan. Wake up and say a prayer. School time. Wake up. Say a prayer. School time. Yeah. School time. School time. You want to kiss up though? Wake up. Get up. Yeah, get up.
You have to go to school. Wake up. Up, wake up.
Yeah.
Wake up, Maya. Come, guys, up. What's our breakfast?
Don't know, don't care. Don't want to find out. Never think. And that's the pass on my foot. Think like that, dog. One time I put on your foot. That's it. Yeah, man. Something alright in the kitchen.
Okay, so for this morning we won't be doing anything hard. We'll just be doing some oats porridge. We're not gonna boil it too, it's not gonna be well done because the kids don't like it when it is, soft. So just give it a quick boil and sweeten it, and that's that. They don't really eat a lot in the mornings, either they drink like probably a bag soup or a boiled egg, or they hardly, well, Jessica love bread. Jamaya and Jordan, they don't love bread. So it's always kind of a struggle, to prepare breakfast. Most time we do like soup or pancake, but Jessica don't love pancake. The other three kids love pancake though. So, but what they all love is oats and bag noodle. They love that, or the cup noodle. And they all love sausage and scrambled egg. They love when I cut the sausage and with the egg, mix it all together and scramble it. They love that. Yes, but this morning Junior was just doing some oats porridge for breakfast.
take it. Jordan, what you want? Jordan?
You ready?
I want to get this. You can get this one?
You asking for your snack? All you don't give them, Maya. They don't get snack. So, did you give them some of yours? Okay, don't give them. Why are they begging you when they have their own?
Who?
Our classmates.
Have a cup of water, please. Not today. No, not today.
Put it properly, please.
Okay.
Right there. No, you can't see me.
Mm-mm. Jordan, get up! Doesn't need to make the bed. Get up. I'm going to brush your teeth, boy. What you doing, Jordan? Just go and say a prayer. Go say a prayer. Go on the bed, go say a prayer. Hmm? Hmm?
I want to wear my first.
Okay, one more something on your She said she wanted to warm up. You start to listen, so she wanted to warm up first. You want me to first, Maya?
Reason.
Alright, get water and go brush your teeth, Jordan. Jessica, you making your bed or you starting with your books? What you doing? Starting with your books?
You eat?
No, I'm gonna eat.
Exactly.
You eat? You eat?
Me cook.
You eat?
Me cook.
You eat?
Me cook.
Maya? Okay, porridge cool and you hungry? Yeah, but it's hot. You want to wait until it cool? Or you want to cool it yourself? Go ahead, Maya. You hot?
Yes.
Maya, got this hot, Maya? You're a big girl. You can take it.
But I'm going to
John.
sleep.
Come, just in here for you. Just in go to daddy. Can you come in here?
You sure me want to come here for you?
Come on the one side.
I finally get to kill him.
I can see this.
Give me come and I say you come.
I know this one.
Come on.
No.
Look at come on.
No.
Come.
No.
Come, go ahead, boy.
Oh, it's Justin.
I already come out anyway, so it's not gonna.
Trying to pull up just his shirts. All him button gone. Maya say, I have to see this. Come up some here, Sean. I finish come here one here, Sean. Just let me see your face now. Come, Maya.
Really cool,
Oh.
Sit. What I care for lunch? What I care for lunch?
I don't know.
You want money?
I want cup soup.
There's no cup.
No, I want patty.
John, say you want patty for us.
Canteen, you know, get
Chicken
seen
patty.
No, they say you want patty.
Chicken patty.
Canteen.
Oh, they pay on the lunch, right? Just take cup soup today. So, Sean, how much is cup soup?
$250.
So, same thing for patty.
No.
$300.
So, let's give $50 extra. They say you want patty. What do you want for lunch? What do you want for lunch? Cup soup? I John can't try cup soup. My sister want chicken patty.
Chicken patty is more.
Just give her a teacher $50.
No, I've seen the amount of chicken patty is the same. Cheese patty is more.
Cheese patty.
Justin still drinking porridge. Shall I give them too much porridge? They eat a man in time, you know. 2, 3, up. You heavy, man? Oh, you heavy like a lead. Sit down. Come here, already. Okay, so Maya.
I got it.
Go back. Bye.
What's this for?
That's what I'm not coming. I'm not gonna school yet. So the others, the younger ones, gone with Sean. The older ones are waiting on their uncle. Hi, Trevor. Later. Bye. Bye. Ink just gone. Later. So we pick up their uncle, my sister, son in the evening with the older ones, and their uncle carry them in the mornings. Yeah. So uncle bring them in the mornings, the older ones in the mornings, and we pick up all the kids in the evening. Let me show you something, guys. Juna cabbage coming really nice. Look at this. Juna plant cabbage. and it is coming. That one, those there, the one over there. There's another one there, and I plant some thyme and scallion. Hold on, plant some scallion there. Thyme plant here. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, it's a piece more over here. Another piece of thyme. Scallion. Water scallion over there. And some sweet pepper in here. It need to weed out though because bush growing in it. So it needs to weed. Yep. It's a lovely morning though. Yeah, so everyone is gone to school. Ozzy gone to work. I'm here in the days. If I'm not gone with Junior, I'm not going with him this week. I was supposed to go with him last week, but I had some stuff to do. So I'm gonna tidy up the house. But it's for the other channel. Yeah. See you later guys when they come from school. They're home from school.
Awesome, right now.
I believe Trevor thought $50 is gonna give you a.
Yeah.
Justin,
I 100% believe.
Justin, look what my friend gave me.
Why is the bag open, Justin?
I don't know.
How was school?
It was nice.
So I hiding.
Anyways, Mom,
Huh?
I got the test.
How was it?
It was nice.
What's your grade?
Great. I didn't get any. I just got it.
Oh, you got test today. Which test? You pass?
I don't know.
So you say it was nice. You think you pass?
I don't know.
You better pass.
Depending on which batch I did.
Justin, you're about to
It was
get
the last.
What are you doing is about them asleep and touch them with a
Oh my
finger.
God, baby work today.
How was it?
It was terrible.
Why?
I didn't know what I was doing.
Lie.
So
Lie.
people failed it again.
You have a pass.
I guess what I got.
What you got? 100?
It was on 25. Guess what I got?
24?
No.
24 and a half?
No.
23?
Yes.
23 you got?
Yeah.
High five.
So at first I got 20 teachers, and then I
I
was
still
like,
get
wait a
6
second,
down,
something's wrong. How is bending not correct? At least I know this one. I know this the one. It can't if it's not Jewish court, there has to be a divorce. But there's no divorce, so it has to be Jewish court. So and then I went to Mr. C like, oh, how do you mark this wrong? So, and then I got 3 marks more because 3 more things were right.
High five.
I don't know.
I'm getting 16 on that.
Probably
test,
that
tell me.
either that was
Getting what?
different or what?
60?
16
16 out of what?
out of 20.
I'd give you 16 lick.
Well, at least we got a view.
This is what happened when everybody coming to the house.
How much views I get?
Oh, still something the same.
Sorry, people. This is a missing move.
awesome.
Dinner is not ready as yet. And they're all starving. I'm doing
I'm not that young.
Is it hungry?
That young.
Dad, the predictions are went so well. I didn't even get to say it.
Dad, look at my new boxy. I'm just having a good day.
No, eating. What you do?
He's in
A
mine.
drink,
Hi,
I drink?
Mom.
I'm doing baked chicken, guys, in the oven. Not baked chicken, baked turkey neck.
Mom, it's food.
And fried dumpling.
I'm gonna put some ice in the fridge so we get more ice.
Well, baby, you have to put water in your fridge to get it.
I mean, I'm gonna put some water in the fridge so we
You
get
have to
more ice.
put ice in your fridge to get ice. You ever do that?
Yeah.
I'm
Ice
gonna
in
put
the-
this in the fridge.
Figure it out now.
Get back the floor here.
This is for you.
My, what
No
you doing
one
in the
take
box?
fridge.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
Everyone be careful.
Shampa, you come here, I've been eating, you know.
Not frozen in there.
What you going to eat dinner?
Jeka.
This is 2 bananas.
Be careful.
And juice.
It's yours. It's father's.
That's economic.
No.
Give me.
No.
Give
Dad,
me.
Dad,
Don't
take your
touch
money
my
from
box.
Jessica.
Mine.
Dad, can I keep it?
You
Dad, I broke out paparazzi. Can I keep
How did Jessica?
it? Look at me. Look at me, Dad. Look at me. Like, genuinely. Look at me. I have to steal cash for a living. Please,
You know
I
what?
Still a gun.
You don't want it.
I do want it.
You have more money than I
Look at
have.
this
What's up?
face, Dad.
Justin, give it to Jessica.
You know what? I give you that.
Jessica, put on your mind too long. Justin, just take it.
Oh, you make me.
Help me.
I pretend a disappointment, dude.
I'm a potato.
She's a potato. Can we cook her?
Yeah, put it on me. Go. I'll help you out. Go on the side. Go on the side.
Man, she dropped through. Man, she dropped through.
Don't worry.
Yeah,
Don't
bro.
Hey, no.
Let's cook
Take
it
the
now.
bottom first, the tail to them.
Anyways, Dad.
Yes, it's taken.
I am.
I'm gonna be a dolly now. I'm gonna be the new Popso dolly.
The hell's Popso?
I don't know.
I don't
She's
know.
struggling to get the boxes.
It's
Boxes for
$2,000.
$2,000 for this.
Yeah, for your
Waste of
dolly.
money. $2,000 to get more money, dude.
I could put my head up. Mom, help.
I air.
Hold on.
Hey.
Change on $20 is for back, you know. That's fine.
$3.20. You went up by $20. What is this?
Maya, fall. I don't know what you're doing.
You know, say inflation. This make no sense. You.
Where we came for every date. She stood there staring at the familiar place, and for a second she could almost see us at every table, laughing, talking.